Hello, my dear kids. Welcome to our new activity session. Yes, it's the most enjoying period. So, children, this is Swarnima teacher from Toddledom School welcomes you all today in our interesting activity period. So, what we are going to do today? Let's guess. Think what we are going to do. Any guesses? Throughout the week, we did the topic vegetables. Yes, vegetables are very good for our health and you should eat all the vegetables. So, children, our activity is related to vegetable only. Today, we are going to draw three simple vegetable in our activity notebook and we are going to use our finger to do the fingertip painting on vegetables. So let us start our session and I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. So children, first remove your 3A book and the materials required are pencil, eraser, sketch pens, marker, watercolor and water. Now, first we are going to write today's date on the top left corner. You can mention date over here. Then, besides the date, on the top you can write CW. Now we are going to write the heading Vegetables. Yes children, today we are going to draw vegetables and inside it we are going to do fingertip painting. So write the spelling VEGETABLE vegetable and in the bracket you can write FINGER finger TIP tip and painting PAINTING fingertip painting. So this is our heading. Now children, let us start with our activity. This is a basket in which we are going to draw our vegetables. So to make the basket children, you can just make a slanting line like this or you can make a wavy line, join it and make a sleeping line, then make a slanting line and join the sleeping line from the other side. And from the top, just make a half curve like this. From both the ends, we are going to make the curve like this. So here our basket is ready. Now children, today you are going to make big vegetables. Yes? So the first vegetable is the favorite food of bunny. Yes. Let me see you all can guess. Correct. It's a carrot. So to make the carrot, you have to make a sleeping line or you can make slight curve line. Come down with slanting line and join it. Now on the top, you can make leaves like this. Just make a zigzag line and complete it. This will be the leaves of carrot. Now all can see this line. Yes, we are making this line to give an exact look of carrot. So children, our carrot is ready. Yes, a sketch of carrot is ready. Now the next vegetable is green in color. Yes, and mostly it is used to make Chinese food. Yes, you all love Chinese, correct? Then, come on, guess which vegetable is this? Yes, it's a capsicum. Very nice. Yes, it's a capsicum. So to make the capsicum, just make a oval shape. Then from your left side, you can make a back curve. From your right side, you can make a front curve and join it. Now you all can make a small stem. This is our capsicum. Now the third vegetable is the king of the vegetable. Yes, as you all know, mango is the king of all the fruits. In the same way, brinjal is the king of vegetables. So let us draw brinjal over here. So first you have to make a curve like this. Yes, it is going to be the shape of star, as you all can see. Now make the stem and make a curved line like this to make the brinjal. All the vegetables should be close to each other. Yes, children, as you all can see in the picture. Now we are going to use the sketch pens to give the outline to make our vegetable looks attractive. Yes, it should look real vegetables. So children, do you like to eat vegetables? I'm sure you must not like the vegetables. But your teacher loves to eat vegetables. Yes, I eat all the vegetables. And it makes me fit and healthy. So, my dear kids, as you all are growing, you should eat all the vegetables which will keep you fit, fine, and healthy. So, along with all the fruits, you should always eat all the vegetables also. Now, this way, children, we are going to give border to the leaves of carrot. Yes, you can use sketch pen and nicely you can give the borders like this. Just shake your hands a little and automatically it will become a zigzag line. See this way. Now let us use dark green color to give the border to capsicum. So you can run your hand on capsicum like this. Slowly you have to give the borders. Color should not go here and there. This way you can run your fingers on the pencil outline which you have already drawn. So as you all can see, children, we are almost done with the capsicum. Here we go, capsicum is done. Now let us complete brinjal now. So take purple sketch in your hand and just give the outline this way. Okay, so brinjal is round in shape, it is oval in shape. You can draw any shape which is easy for you. The main thing in the brinjal is its crown. Yes, that makes him the king of the vegetable. So here we are going to give border to its crown like this. Slowly just complete with the borders. Complete the stem now. So almost we are done. Now we're going to start with the activity. Yes, so here is my watercolor. You can use Rangila color also. If you have watercolor, you can use watercolor also. So just dip your finger in the water and you have to select orange color to color this carrot. Yes, so this way we are going to just dip our finger in water, then in color, and just press it on the paper like this. So it is going to be fingertip painting. Yes, so what we are going to use? We are going to use our fingers. Yes, so quickly you can just dip the finger in the water and on the orange color and just press it on the paper like this. Your finger impression should come neatly. Try to cover up all the areas. Very less of white paper should be seen. So this way just dip it in the water, then in color and on the paper. So as you all can see, it's looking really very beautiful. So children, what can you make with the carrot? It's a very useful vegetable. Used to make pickles, used to make what? Juice. Yes, it is used to make juice also. It is used to make halwa. Yes, it's my favorite. So this way we are almost done with the carrots. Now let us come to capsicum. So we are going to use green color to color our capsicum. This way you are going to just dip your finger in water, then in green color, and just give your impression on capsicum. This way. So this is a very nice exercise of your finger. So children, how many types of capsicum have you seen in the market? Yes, and I'm sure you must not remember that how many types of capsicum are there in market. But when you see on the pizza, you remember how many types of capsicum are there, isn't it? Yes, we get green color, red color and yellow color capsicum, and it is also called bell pepper because the shape of the capsicum is similar like bell, so it is called bell pepper. Now let us come to the king of the vegetables, and we are going to color it with purple color. Yes, so start with the border. Same way as you do the coloring, first we start from the border, then we come in the center. So same goes for the activity, for painting, for everything. You should follow this. Start from the border, dip your finger in the water, in purple color and just give your finger impression on brinjal like this. So which finger are we using for fingertip painting? Yes, it's our index finger. We called it as pointer finger also. So this way we have made our vegetable looks more real, attractive and beautiful. So now children, if you know more pictures, you can simply draw it on a rough sheet and you can practice more fingertip painting on different types of vegetables. You can make potato, you can make tomato, yes, you can make beetroot. These are so simple vegetables to draw also. So you can try your hand at home on these vegetables as well. So children, as you all can see, almost our fingertip painting is done. Now it's time to make our basket also looks more beautiful. Yes? In front of vegetable, it is looking so vacant. Yes, my basket is completely vacant and I want to make it colorful. So before making basket colorful, let us color the leaves of all the fruits. Yes, it's a fruit. Nobody is correcting me. Yes, it's a vegetable. So children, the last session you all have learned fruits also. Yes? And which activity you did in fruits? Yes, we did paper collage. So that was also your hand exercise. Yes, your hand, your finger were in use. And today we did fingertip painting in vegetables. So again your fingers were doing the exercise. So children, this way you can give a beautiful shading on the leaves, on the stems. This completes our vegetable activity. Now my basket is still empty, without color. Yes, it is empty without color. Otherwise it is full with vegetables now. So let us draw a beautiful design in it. With the help of pencil, just you can make a lines and complete this basket also. Just make it nicely designed. This way you can just keep on making a curved line or a slanting line this way, and then just start doing with the cross line also. These are the checks we have made in the basket. So this is going to look real basket now. This way you can just give a beautiful design in it. So children, this design is completely of your choice. If you want to do it with a single color, you can color it with crayons also with one single color or with 2 or 3 colors. Now here I am going to use sketch pen to color this basket full of vegetables. I am going to use this light brown color to color my basket. So again I have started with the border, and slowly I'm going to complete this basket with light brown color, and then on top of it I'm going to give the dark design with dark brown sketch pen. So as you all can see, this shading is going on with light brown color. I will allow it to rest and it will dry. So it will take 5 to 10 seconds, and then I have given a dark brown shading on this basket. So here my vegetable basket is ready with fingertip painting. So my dear kids, I am sure you are all have enjoyed this activity. Yes? So use your creation and creativity and make more and more easy pictures of vegetable and try your hands on this fingertip painting. Yes, you can practice it at home also. So see you soon in the next session. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.